Your A7R6 video looks bad because of these 10 settings. Number 1, different set for stills and movies. I talked about this in my photo one, but it's going to be yellow menu. Number 3, option 8, which you'll have to go to the second screen. So this one's a hidden menu. Different sets for stills and movies. And what you're going to do is you're going to enable all of these. This is going to allow it so your video mode and your photo modes are two separate, basically, camera profiles. And if you change it to picture profile and video, it will not go to photos. Number 2, the video file format. So this is going to be in your red menu 1.1. So I would either select XAVC S or SI. SI is for editing, S is for space. So you're going to save the space on this one, and you're going to have more stuff to pull on the SI. Number 3, record settings. So right under that in red menu 1, option 2 are going to be your movie settings. By default, when you switch between these XAVC S 4Ks, your record settings are going to be in 8-bit. So you're going to see this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go through your menu, and you're going to want to change every single one of these record settings to match 10-bit. Number 4, log shooting settings. This is going to be in your red menu, number 6, and you're going to turn it on. On flexible ISO just means you don't have to stay at your base stops. Color gamut is going to be S-Gamut 3 Cine. Embed LUT file, off. Keep that off. We're going to turn that off, never turn that on. Number 5 is going to be your social media aspect markers. So this is going to be in your red menu 11. So we're going to go down. We're going to go over to number 3, aspect marker. And this is we're going to enable 916 for vertical content. So if you change your camera to 8K, you'll still have 4K vertical. Number 6, auto power off temperature. You're going to change this to high. It's going to be in your yellow menu, number 9, auto power off temperature, and you're going to keep it to high. If you already changed this in photo mode, it's going to stay on high. And if you change this for video, it's going to stay on high as well. You won't have to change the setting after you've changed it once. Number 7, picture profile. So you're going to be shooting in S-Log 3. This can all be saved if you just turn on log shoot settings and have this on, which is the item we talked about before, which is going to put you in picture profile 8, which is S-Log 3. Number 8, DGO. This is going to be your pink menu, item 1, number 4. So DGO is a new thing on the A7R6, which honestly makes it a video beast. So what DGO allows you to do is shoot at 24, 25, or 30 frames a second at 4K while taking advantage of both base stops, which are 800 and 3200. So you can pretty much navigate in the range of those two while having insanely beautiful video with high dynamic range. It is truly one of the coolest things on this camera. Number 9, shockless white balance. You're going to be turning this off. This is in your pink menu, number 4, number 3. So this third option, what shockless white balance is white balance will be changing throughout your video clip if you have auto white balance on. You're going to turn this off. You don't want it to change. If you're running auto white balance, it's going to select your white balance at the start of the clip, and it's not going to change it around, so editing will be a lot easier for you. And number 10, select LUT display out. So this is either going to be in your pink menu, number 5, right here on select LUT. And if you don't have that, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this home main menu. You're going to go to main 1, and your 6th item over is basically the same thing we just looked at, the same menu. These are quick menus, and then right below it, you'll see LUT on or LUT off. So if you don't see any display, it's most likely this display LUT is not on. So you're going to want to just toggle that on, and that will allow this LUT to work here. There you have it. 10 settings, 5 minutes on the brand new A7R6. You're all ready to go shoot some video.